Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video explain how to get spotlight video on Snapchat. Without wasting time, let's start the video. Firstly, open Snapchat. Tap on its spotlight. As you can see on screen, spotlight video is playing now. For example, you want to download this video. Tap on three dots. Now tap on the share app, share snap. It will take some seconds. Now scroll left this social media icon. As well as you can see appears on screen download option here. Tap on it and wait for some seconds. Now tap on select more photos. Now you can see that video appears on some different parts. Anyway, you just tap on done and go back to home screen and open photos on your mobile phone. As well as you can see here spotlight video get on your phone and also playing now. That's it. Hope this video helpful. If the video very helpful for you, don't forget like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need any help about any problem on your phone, you can comment me. Thanks for watching my video.